Why do I always have to do the washing up?
Why is there never any milk in this house?
I always have to go get the milk.
I can never get this lid off this jar.
Oh, am I always the one that has to do this?
Always and never are adverbs. We often use these words in English to complain about something we don't like. Always means every time or very frequently. Never is the opposite. It means not one time, 0 times, or not ever. So what do you notice about the position of always and never in these sentences? That is, where are they in the sentence? Always and never can come between the subject and the main verb. I always have to do the washing up. Oh, he never gets to work on time. They can come after a modal verb. Now, modal verbs are can, could, will, would. I can never get the lid off this jar. You should always be early for a job interview. They can come after the verb be. I'm always the one who has to do this. There is never any milk in this house. One last thing. We do not usually start a sentence with always or never, except when we are giving commands or instructions. For example, never dive into shallow water. You could break your neck. Always keep your login details private.